Assalamualaikum everyone, good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Galna Alfata. I'm from UPAI from Psychology Faculty. My name is 2124090011. So today I'm going to explain about Google Apps, an important role in a student life, and the role of GAFE or Google Apps in student life. Okay, this presentation will take about 3 to 5 minutes, so without further ado, let's get started. Post navigation. Google has become a widely accepted search engine platform since its inception in 1998. It has transformed the way we study, take every challenge, and embracing a variety of practice for innovation. With the rapid development and educational apps accessibility, there has been a significant change is seen in adopting apps by educators, also one who use these apps. Currently, a spectrum of competing app is present in the market, including iOS apps, Google apps, OneDrive apps, Chromebooks, etc. Most of the apps allow navigation of content with taps, finger zoom, or finger swipes. Over the year, significant growth has been seen in Google Apps installation and utilization, share documents, drive, video aiming, of transforming learning and teaching altogether. According to the Babson survey, several students who is pursuing at least one course online increased by 7.1% since 2013 until 2014. This number was subsequently increased by 48.1% in 2018 and 2019. Presently, Google App has more than 40 million online tutors, teacher, faculty member, student, and staff member. In accordance, British Technology Report out of 100 American university, more than 70 universities are using Google Apps. Also, among 8 Ivy League universities are known for using Google's apps. The purpose of this article is to cover several aspects of Google Apps contributing to huge success in the academic world. Technology and GAFE, Google Acceptance for Education, social media networking apps have shown drastically change in this highly competitive world. G-Work, Montero, and Lama 2014 inferred from the study social media platform over numerous opportunities for collaboration and visibility among students. They said, when social media used by teacher and learner in a classroom, this will create an interactive learning environment. As per assignment writer Bristol, when app designed for pedagogically usage, it tends to provide a bridge between the gap formed between education and technology with exclusive drive of advanced learning platform to the school. From the above, we can define GAFE as integrate based cloud suite aiming to transform the 21st century education system. All the Google apps were formed to support provisioning of Google Suite and other collaborative tools such as Google Plus, Google Document, Google Sheet, Google Meet, Gmail, Google Chat, and YouTube, and etc. To meet drastic change due to COVID-19, applicability of Google Learning apps have been seen as instrumental regardless of geographical location. Besides these statistics, some online learning platforms such as MOOCs having primary objective to make education is available for potential learner enable university to teach students of diverse background. In case you find it difficulty to understand the role MOOCs on a board perspective for your assignment writing, take guidance for source essay based essay writer team now. Role of Google Apps in education is most power cloud integrate platform works no matter where student live or using its device. This platform enable thousands of students to access the quality of education with collaborative tools with a primary focus on enhancing the traditional way of teaching and learning. Google Apps and tools enable faculty and students to work in Nexus virtually on document, report, presentation, and projects. This predominantly helps in making cloud-based website complement to traditional instruction for delivering an effective course in less time. Adoption of GAFE by university, it is evident and have been in use from past decades. US universities have partnered with Google to make sure GAFE platforms suitably offer faculty and student predominant to conquer challenge in rapid globalization and technology advance. For instance, Arizona State University is determined to allow technology in education space to rebuild thinking and new methods of teaching. Apart from customized mode Google Documents, Google Spreadsheet allows tutors to share sheets and thus evaluating student performance on solid basis. All the UG university are continually sourcing technology and adapting them to gain online experience and effectively enhancing teaching and learning. The role of Google Apps in student life is the apps allow to various groups to share content via wikis, Google Docs, Google Forum, and Google Sheet. A typical example of how students use Google Forums to conduct a survey facilities is to collaboration and drawing static to draw conclusion. User gain the ability to add calendar entries directly from the Gmail account. Let's move ahead to explore the critical role Google plays in student life. So the Google empowering student widely recognizable for empowering student irrespective of their age, gender, nationality, and religion. It provides students with limitless opportunity to explore variety of topics and give them equal advantage to access the information. The tools are powerful and easy to apprehend by managers simultaneously give access to students to all the change in different stems. Google offer a great range of choice for both educators and learner in terms of computability. With reading material, Google Apps provide revision history so that students can see all the change on at one go, or if they are available during teaching hour, they can access lecturer in their free time. Google has give the facility both communication and collaboration in order to achieve optimum productivity in a limited period. For instance, GAFE-based course websites, students will be updating their knowledge and can see their assignment procedure. They also take help for assignment helps, expert assistance from Google Meet if they find any difficult in writing assignment. And the Google was enhance the productivity of the student. The Google have been able to penetrate deep in the education system irrespective boundaries because it provides free service for students or sometimes very cheap. Its educational devices are affordable and easy to maintain at the same time. It is supported by the best talent pool in the world. So the conclusion, we have to start this blog by signing how Google achieved massive success over some time and penetrating deep into educational sphere. There was significant growth has been seen in Google's apps installation and utilization for sharing documents, drive, video aiming of transforming learning and teaching altogether. In the next section, we have tried to present a shred of evidence to highlight the growing rate of GAFE adoption in education system by sourcing static adopt by any source. Okay, maybe that's I can present to you. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.